Hey, good morning, everybody. Here in Little America in Flagstaff, Arizona. Sorry, I just woke up. Still waking up. It's about 6 a.m. on a Sunday morning. It's chilly. It's cold out, and this is right behind the parking area. Uh, Nice little area to hang out. Wish I had my coffee already. I should have gone to get coffee. Sit a minute. Uh, Let Cash do his thing. Need my jacket actually. It's colder than I thought it would be. Cash. He's spotting something. You see the area here is really nice. Little area. We walked around for a while last night. Kind of thought it'd be nice to walk around again this morning, but down light pole here, just sitting on. It's nice to find spots like this. Having a dog. Let him kind of run around a minute, but it's cold, so I'm gonna get a jacket and go inside and get some coffee. So talk to you guys later. Gonna head on into California, and not sure if I'm actually. I don't think I can stay at the receiver, so I'm gonna try to get as close as I can. Find me a spot as close as I can, and shut it down. Be ready to roll early morning. Cash, come here. Good boy. Yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey, what's up, guys? So I still here at Little America. We finished our Cash finished this little walk, and then put him back in the truck, and I went out. I went inside and had some breakfast. Had some huevos rancheros. Not bad. Not bad. And just got back in the truck. I got filled up my coffee cup, my 40 ounces of coffee. So pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna get out and do my little walk around, check the oil, and do my little walk around the truck. Little pre-trip inspection. Hammer on the tires and make sure everything's good before we go. Spot's kind of tight here. This guy next to me is about to leave, and the truck next to him is sticking out pretty far. Make it tight on him. But him leaving will be good for me. Let me out of here easier. We're in the overflow parking, back by the woods. Nothing. This isn't their normal. This place isn't very big. There's another Little America in Wyoming. That's the first one I ever went to. Posted some pictures of that one. It was the first place I saw snow when I started driving. But anyway, we are going to cruise on. I'm gonna try to find get us as close to San Diego as I can. Parking is not great in California in general. But I'm gonna cruise on down the road a ways. I'm gonna stop and take a shower. I didn't shower here because I don't like paying for showers. To put it bluntly, I don't pay for showers. If you fuel at certain spots, I fuel at Love's a lot, and so I have unlimited showers at Love's. So I just don't really want to pay for a shower. Showers, I don't know what they cost here, probably like $12 or something, which is not outrageous or anything, but it's $12. Food's expensive enough at these kind of places. Yeah. Oh, I was sorry, I'm still waking up, distracted. So I'm gonna stop at Love's here in maybe a couple hours, get a shower, and then we'll find a final spot to park. I'm 529 miles out from my final, so I'd like to do 400 miles or something today. I want to get as close as I can, so if we can do the full 529, that'd be great. But I don't think we can park there. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna go. Talk to you guys later. Bye.